Hello there, my name is Stephen from London Roof Surveys. If you're watching this, it's probably because you've got a problem with your roof or you need a roof surveyor. This is my van that I use. It's an electric van and we're normally working with inside the M25. Sometimes we'll go outside of it, but the van's fully equipped with ladders and equipment to get onto all sorts of roofs. If we're working on a commercial roof, we've got harnesses and we can clip on. We also have drones that we can use just in case we can't get on the roof. And sometimes there's scaffolding up on a roof and we'll go up on the scaffolding, or we'll put the scaffolding up ourselves. We also use these extendable poles where we can't get access safely. We carry thermal imaging cameras, which are very good for detecting thermal bridging in buildings. Sometimes we can see damp spots. There's all sorts of things that we can see using a thermal imaging camera. This is me using one of the damp meters that we carry. These are very good for highlighting damp areas in walls without making penetrations into the walls. Here, this is where I'm using it and I'm penetrating into the wood of a roof just to see how damp it is. And this roof is extremely damp. We also use 360-degree cameras so that we can look inside. We normally go up through a light fitting and we can look around inside the light fitting and we can see all sorts of different problems up there. Normally when we do roof condition surveys, it's probably because the insurance company have asked to have a survey done of the roof just to make sure that there's no problems with it. When you renew an insurance premium these days, sometimes the insurance company ask for that. Now, other surveys we do are house buyers surveys, people who are purchasing a new home and they want to make sure that the roof is in good condition so they have no nasty surprises. So we normally come out, have a look at it and then give them an idea of what the cost would be if they need a new roof or they need repairs. This is a commercial roof condition survey that we're doing here, and unfortunately we get an awful lot of bad workmanship surveys that we have to do. Believe it or not, what you're looking at here is a brand spanking new roof on a house, and unfortunately before the roofers had finished, we had to go around and have a look at it because the customer knew there was a problem. Look at this. This is supposed to be a new roof, and these are the problems that we've found. So there'll be links below to the different kinds of surveys we do. Please have a look through all the other videos we do. I'll be posting videos quite regularly, just showing you the kind of things that I find, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Just drop us an email or give us a phone call if you need any help or advice. Speak soon.